Welcome to our comprehensive guide on data preprocessing techniques. Before diving into any data analysis or machine learning project, it's crucial to understand the importance of preparing your data. Data preprocessing is the foundation that ensures your models receive clean, consistent, and meaningful information. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps and methods used to transform raw data into a usable format. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, mastering these techniques will significantly improve your results. Let's begin by understanding why preprocessing is so vital in the data science workflow. Data in its raw form is often messy, incomplete, and inconsistent. Without proper preprocessing, any analysis or model built on such data can lead to misleading or inaccurate results. Preprocessing helps in cleaning, transforming, and organizing data, making it suitable for further analysis. It addresses issues like missing values, outliers, and inconsistent formats, ensuring that the data is reliable and ready for modeling. By investing time in preprocessing, you set the stage for more accurate and robust outcomes in your projects. Raw data comes from various sources like databases, sensors, or user input. It often contains errors, duplicates, and irrelevant information. Before any meaningful analysis, it's essential to examine the raw data closely. This initial inspection helps identify common issues such as missing values, incorrect data types, or unexpected entries. By understanding the nature of your raw data, you can choose the most appropriate preprocessing techniques to apply, ensuring a smoother workflow ahead. Data cleaning is the first and most critical step in preprocessing. It involves identifying and correcting errors or inconsistencies in your dataset. This process may include removing duplicate records, correcting typos, and handling missing values. Clean data forms the backbone of any successful analysis, as it reduces noise and potential biases. In the next scenes, we'll break down the specific techniques used in data cleaning and how they contribute to better data quality. Missing values are a common issue in most datasets. They can occur due to various reasons, such as data entry errors or equipment malfunctions. There are several strategies to handle missing values, including removing rows with missing data, filling them with mean or median values, or using more advanced imputation methods. The choice depends on the nature of your data and the impact of missing values on your analysis. Proper handling ensures that your results remain unbiased and accurate. Duplicate records can skew your analysis and lead to incorrect conclusions. Identifying and removing duplicates is a straightforward but essential step in data cleaning. Most data processing tools offer functions to detect and drop duplicate rows based on specific columns or the entire dataset. By ensuring each record is unique, you maintain the integrity of your data and prevent overrepresentation of certain values. Data errors such as typos or incorrect entries can significantly impact your analysis. These errors may arise from manual data entry or faulty data collection processes. It's important to scan your dataset for anomalies and correct them, either manually or using automated scripts. Consistent and accurate data ensures that your models learn from the right information, leading to more reliable outcomes. Datasets often contain values in different formats, such as dates in various styles or inconsistent capitalization. Standardizing these formats is crucial for accurate analysis and comparison. For example, converting all dates to a single format or ensuring consistent use of upper and lower case in text fields. This step helps avoid confusion and errors during data processing and analysis. Outliers are data points that deviate significantly from the rest of your dataset. They can result from errors or represent rare but important events. Detecting and handling outliers is essential, as they can distort statistical analyses and model performance. Common techniques include visualization, statistical tests, or setting thresholds. Depending on the context, you may choose to remove, transform, or keep outliers for further investigation. Data transformation involves converting data into a suitable format for analysis. This may include scaling numerical values, encoding categorical variables, or applying mathematical functions. Transformation helps in normalizing data, making it easier for algorithms to process and interpret. It's a key step in ensuring that your data is compatible with the requirements of various analytical methods and machine learning models. Normalization is a technique used to scale numerical data to a standard range, typically between 0 and 1. This process ensures that no single feature dominates the analysis due to its scale. Normalization is especially important when using algorithms that rely on distance calculations such as k-nearest neighbors or clustering. By bringing all features to a common scale, you improve the performance and reliability of your model. Standardization is another scaling technique that transforms data to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Unlike normalization, which scales data to a fixed range, standardization centers the data and adjusts for variance. This method is commonly used in statistical modeling and machine learning, especially when features have different units or distributions. Standardization helps algorithms converge faster and perform better. Many datasets contain categorical variables, such as colors or product types, which need to be converted into numerical values for analysis. Encoding techniques like one-hot encoding or label encoding transform these categories into a format that algorithms can process. Choosing the right encoding method depends on the nature of your data and the requirements of your model. Proper encoding ensures that categorical information is accurately represented in your analysis. Feature engineering involves creating new variables or modifying existing ones to improve the performance of your models. This can include combining features, extracting useful information, or transforming variables to highlight important patterns. Effective feature engineering requires domain knowledge and creativity, as it can significantly enhance the predictive power of your models. It's an iterative process that often leads to better insights and results. High-dimensional data can be challenging to analyze and may lead to overfitting in machine learning models. Dimensionality reduction techniques such as principal component analysis (PCA) help reduce the number of features while retaining essential information. This process simplifies your data, speeds up computations, and can improve model performance. It's especially useful when dealing with large datasets with many variables. For training any model, it's important to split your data into training and testing sets. This allows you to evaluate the performance of your model on unseen data and prevent overfitting. Common splits include 70-30 or 80-20 ratios, depending on the size of your dataset. Proper splitting ensures that your model generalizes well and provides reliable predictions. Shuffling your data before splitting helps ensure that the training and testing sets are representative of the overall dataset. This step is especially important when your data has an inherent order, such as time series or grouped entries. Random shuffling prevents bias and ensures that your model learns from a diverse set of examples. Balanced datasets where some classes are underrepresented can lead to biased models. Techniques like oversampling, undersampling, or synthetic data generation help balance the distribution of classes. This ensures that your model learns to recognize all classes equally, leading to fairer and more accurate predictions. Not all features in your dataset contribute equally to your analysis. Feature selection involves identifying and retaining the most relevant variables while discarding those that add noise or redundancy. Techniques like correlation analysis, mutual information, or model-based selection help streamline your dataset and improve model performance. Data aggregation involves summarizing or combining data points to provide a higher-level view. This can include calculating averages, totals, or other summary statistics. Aggregation is useful for reducing data complexity and highlighting key trends or patterns in your dataset. Discretization is the process of converting continuous variables into discrete categories or bins. This technique is often used when algorithms require categorical input or to simplify analysis. For example, age can be grouped into ranges like young, middle-aged, and senior. Discretization helps in managing continuous data and making it more interpretable. Binning is a specific form of discretization where continuous values are divided into intervals or bins. This technique reduces the impact of minor observation errors and helps in identifying patterns. Binning can be done using equal width or equal frequency intervals, depending on the distribution of your data. Balanced data can cause models to favor the majority class, leading to poor performance on minority classes. Techniques like SMOT, synthetic minority oversampling technique, or class weighting can help address this issue. Balancing your data ensures that your model treats all classes fairly and improves overall accuracy. Noise in data refers to random or irrelevant information that can obscure meaningful patterns. Techniques like smoothing, filtering, or aggregation help reduce noise and enhance the quality of your dataset. Clean, noise-free data leads to more accurate analyses and better model performance. Often, data comes from multiple sources and needs to be combined for analysis. Data integration involves merging datasets, resolving conflicts, and ensuring consistency across sources. This step is crucial for creating a comprehensive view of your data and enabling more insightful analyses. Large datasets can be difficult to manage and analyze. Data reduction techniques such as sampling or aggregation help decrease the volume of data while preserving essential information. This makes processing faster and more efficient, especially when working with big data. Sampling involves selecting a representative subset of your data for analysis. Common methods include random sampling, stratified sampling, and systematic sampling. Proper sampling ensures that your analysis remains accurate and manageable, even with large datasets. Logarithmic and power transformations are used to stabilize variance and make data more normally distributed. These techniques are especially helpful when dealing with skewed data or outliers. Applying the right transformation can improve the performance of statistical models and algorithms. Text data requires special preprocessing steps such as tokenization, stemming, and removing stop words. These techniques help convert unstructured text into a structured format suitable for analysis. Proper text preprocessing is essential for natural language processing and text mining tasks. Dates and times often require special handling, such as converting formats, extracting components, or calculating durations. Proper processing ensures that temporal information is accurately represented and can be used effectively in analysis or modeling. Anomalies or unusual data points can indicate errors or important events. Detecting and handling anomalies involves using statistical tests, visualization, or machine learning techniques. Proper anomaly detection helps maintain data quality and can reveal valuable insights. Data validation ensures that your data meets specific criteria or rules before analysis. This can include checking for valid ranges, formats, or consistency across fields. Validation helps catch errors early and ensures that your dataset is reliable and ready for modeling. Automation tools and scripts can streamline the preprocessing workflow, saving time and reducing human error. Popular tools like Python's Pandas, scikit-learn, or R's deeplearn offer functions for cleaning, transforming, and validating data. Automating repetitive tasks allows you to focus on more complex aspects of your analysis. Machine learning models require well-prepared data to perform optimally. Preprocessing steps like scaling, encoding, and splitting are essential for training robust models. Ensuring that your data is clean and properly formatted helps prevent errors and improves predictive accuracy. Deep learning models often require additional preprocessing, such as image resizing, normalization, or data augmentation. These steps help models learn more effectively from complex data types like images or audio. Proper preprocessing is key to unlocking the full potential of deep learning techniques. Time series data requires specialized preprocessing, such as handling missing timestamps, resampling, or detrending. These steps ensure that temporal patterns are preserved and that your analysis or forecasting models are accurate and reliable. Image data requires steps like resizing, normalization, and augmentation before analysis or modeling. These techniques help standardize image inputs and increase the diversity of your training data, leading to more robust models. Audio data preprocessing includes steps like noise reduction, feature extraction, and normalization. These processes convert raw audio signals into structured features that can be used for analysis or machine learning. Proper audio preprocessing is essential for tasks like speech recognition or music classification. Text preprocessing involves cleaning, tokenizing, and transforming text data into numerical features. Techniques like stemming, lemmatization, and vectorization help convert unstructured text into a format suitable for analysis or modeling. Effective text preprocessing is crucial for natural language processing applications. There are many tools available for data preprocessing, including Python libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn, or R packages like deepler and caret. These tools offer a wide range of functions for cleaning, transforming, and validating data, making preprocessing more efficient and accessible. Following best practices in data preprocessing ensures that your workflow is efficient and your results are reliable. This includes documenting your steps, using automation where possible, and validating your data at each stage. Consistent and thorough preprocessing lays the groundwork for successful analysis and modeling. It's easy to overlook certain aspects of preprocessing, such as failing to handle missing values or ignoring outliers. Other pitfalls include overfitting during feature selection or introducing bias during sampling. Being aware of these common mistakes helps you avoid them and ensures a smoother preprocessing workflow. Keeping a detailed record of your preprocessing steps is essential for reproducibility and collaboration. Documentation helps you track changes, understand your workflow, and communicate your process to others. Well-documented preprocessing ensures that your work can be easily reviewed and replicated. After preprocessing, it's important to evaluate how your changes have affected the data and model performance. This can involve comparing metrics before and after preprocessing or visualizing data distributions. Regular evaluation helps you refine your techniques and achieve better results. Congratulations on reaching the end of our guide to data preprocessing techniques. By mastering these methods, you lay a solid foundation for any data analysis or machine learning project. Remember, thorough preprocessing leads to more accurate, reliable, and insightful results. Continue practicing these techniques and explore advanced methods as you progress in your data science journey.